Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple product animation using Canva. This is perfect for showcasing your items in a clean, creative, and eye-catching way, whether you're promoting a product or just adding flair to your content. Let's get started. First, go to Canva and open a new project. Choose Video and select the 1920 by 1080 pixels, full HD landscape size. Give your project a name. I'll call mine Simple Animation. Today I'll create an animation for an orange juice product using 3 images: the juice can, an orange, a splash graphic. Set a custom background color. I'll use a bright orange. Next, go to Elements, search for Blob, and pick one you like. Resize it to cover half the frame, then change its color to white. Now duplicate that blob and change the new one's color to match the orange background. Move this second blob slightly to the left to create a layered look. Upload your product images. Place the orange juice can in the center. Add the splash image behind the can using the Layer menu. Send to back. Add the orange with leaves to the front near the can. Adjust all 3 elements until they look nicely arranged. Select all 3, hold Shift, and resize them together. Make sure nothing important goes outside the white blob background area. Add a headline, Fresh All Day. Choose a luxury style font, adjust the line spacing, and change the color to white. Then add a second line of text, Orange Juice, with a thin font. Add a slight shadow effect to both text layers for depth. Position everything nicely on the canvas. Duplicate the page by clicking the 3 dots on the page thumbnail and selecting Duplicate. On the second page, move the main elements slightly to the right, rotate, or resize them for motion effect. Make the text slightly larger too for extra emphasis. Back on the first page, bring the orange blob to the front layer using right-click. Bring to front. Now center your text vertically and horizontally, and make it a bit bigger. Click between the 2 pages and choose Match and Move from the Transitions tab. Adjust the animation duration. I recommend keeping it smooth and not too fast. Play the animation and tweak it until you're happy with how it looks. And that's it. Now you've created a simple yet elegant product animation in Canva that can help make your product stand out. If you learned something new today, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.